Hello, this is my review of the Intex Prison Set Easy Up Pool. This is in the 15 foot by 48 inches, which means that the water level is at 42 inches. I wanted to come out and do a review of this because I have had this pool now for 4 years. I live in Wisconsin. I set it up every year. I take it down every year. I store it in the garage in a bin, and it has held up beautifully. This pool does come with a ladder. You can see it over there. I don't have it in the pool. It comes with a filter. It comes with a ground cloth. This is not the ground cloth because I've had it for 4 years. I had to replace that. And it comes with a cover. I don't really use the cover because, as you can tell, I don't have a ton of trees around my pool, so it stays pretty clear. I just have been very impressed with this pool. These pools, there's nothing to like clip together, as you can see. So they really just slide through here. So you slide these poles and put these in with this connector here, and you set up the whole top. And then you have these bottom poles where you just slide them right in. There's no like button or anything. They just slide right in, and it is so easy. So easy. So after 4 years, this pool is going strong. You might notice it does have a little patch right here, but after 4 years, you are gonna get some tiny pinhole holes, and that could be user error on my part, putting it away incorrectly. You can see I have a bunch of baby powder on it because it keeps it from sticking to itself when you store it in the bin over the winter time. But overall, it has just brought us so much joy. It took me and my daughter's friends, it took us, I want to say, a half hour to set up. Our neighbor even was like, he came outside and it was all set up. He's like, whoa, you got that set up so quickly. And it's just so easy. And it is just going strong after 4 years. I highly, highly, highly recommend this Intex swimming pool.